Hello, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be decorating for fall, as well as doing a little bit of cleaning to tidy up my house. I hope you enjoy this video. Thank you so much for watching. I'm just starting out by going through my fall decor bins. I've had most of those decorations for a couple years now, but I just want to go through, make sure there's stuff that I still want to use, if everything is still clean and good to use. Some of the stuff's pretty old, so I had to kind of get rid of it. And some of the stuff kind of just sat there last year, so I know I won't be using it again. I mainly just have a whole bunch of pumpkins. I've got some signs that I've had for quite a while. I do need to update my decor, but I think for this year I'll just use what I have since I do have a 1-year-old and I'm sure he's going to be touching everything. This will probably be the safest route to go. Thank you again for stopping by and watching my video. Allow me to introduce myself. My name is Bridget. I am married to my husband Joe. We've been married for 9 years. We have a 1-year-old son. His name is Luca. We also have a dog. Her name is Millie. She's a Black Lab and Jack Russell Terrier mix. And the sweetest dog. I'm sure you'll see her pop in here in these videos here and there. On this channel, I'm hoping to provide motivation, inspiration, and maybe just make a couple friends while I share cleaning my house, decorating, organizing, and I'm sure I'll throw in some other homemaking things along the way. Again, thanks so much for being here. Leave a comment in the comment section introducing yourself. Now I'm going to clean all the dishes that are here in my sink from breakfast. I try at all times to have my sink completely cleaned out, my dishes all put away so that the sink is available for whenever we may need it. Is anyone else like that you like your sink to be completely cleaned at all times, or do you not mind having your dishes stacked throughout the day? My son Luca was taking a nap when I got started with this video, but he woke up, so now he's sitting there in the background just enjoying his snack. And one of his favorite snacks is yogurt. He is in this stage of life right now where each day is different. We're not exactly sure what he'll eat each day. One day he likes something, the next day he doesn't. One day he eats a lot, the next day he doesn't eat hardly anything at all. So it's been pretty frustrating to get through that, but I know that is pretty normal for kids at this age. Now I'm going to wipe down all the countertops, make sure they are nice and clean, and ready for me to start putting out some of my fall decor. I should have also mentioned that I am from Massachusetts. It is definitely feeling like fall now. The weather has gone down to the 50s, 60s, which is pretty nice. We've been able to have some really nice, beautiful, sunny fall days. This weekend, it is very rainy though, dark and gloomy, so that's a little depressing. We couldn't do anything outside. But it was still a really nice weekend to be inside and decorate for fall. Where are you from? What is your weather like? Do you have a New England type fall where the leaves change, or do your seasons stay pretty much the same all year round? Now I'm climbing up here so I can clean off the vent hood. It gets really dirty really easily with all the grease from cooking and dust. So I tried to keep it clean as often as possible. I really wanted to clean it today so that I could put a command strip up there to hang a wreath. I've seen that a lot and think it looks super nice, especially for fall and also when Christmas comes. It didn't work out that well this day as the wreath I was trying to hang up was a little heavy and the command strip was kind of small, so I do need to go out and get a bigger one. I also think I need to find a smaller wreath that will probably look better. Now I'm just cleaning off this door. It had a bunch of marks on it. I wanted to just clean it all up. With white doors, they show everything. And I'm going to hang a sign on this door. This is our kitchen table. I'm going to get it all cleaned up, and then I have this pumpkin that I'm going to put on and some leaves. This is probably one of my favorite spots in the house. It is an IKEA table. It is one of the very first pieces of furniture we got when we got married. This table is really nice. It has a leaf in the middle, so you can make it smaller and round, which we had when we lived in our first condo. Then when we moved to this house, we made it the oval shape, and it's worked out really well. I do eventually want to get different chairs for the ends. If you can see the light blue ones that we have right now, those are actually garden chairs that we've had for a while. So eventually we'll replace those, but for now it's worked out quite nice. Now I'm going to decorate this hutch that we have. I'm not going to add too much onto it. I do feel like I already have a lot of things on here. I have a lot of memorabilia on here. So I'm just going to add this sign. It says Food Family Football. We are big football fans in this house. We are from New England, so we are Patriots fans. Sorry if you're not. But we do enjoy this time of year and watching football games together with our friends and family. Now I'm going to decorate this half bath that we have on the first floor. It's pretty small, so it is a little challenging to film in here, so I'll have to work on my angles. These 3 shelves I have above the toilet, so I do like to put a little few decorations on here. The last place I'm going to decorate today is our entryway table. This table was something that I found on the side of the road and I refinished myself. I love antique furniture and being able to use them in my house. I am going to decorate with this cheetah print pumpkin, which I found a few years ago at Marshall's. It is one of my favorites, but very breakable, so hopefully my son will not be able to reach this. And I'm going to put some pumpkins on the bottom as well. This is my favorite spot that I decorated this year. I love this entryway table so much. I think it is so cute and it brings me so much joy. Thank you again for watching my video. I hope if you enjoyed it, you'll consider subscribing. I am planning on posting a new video once a week, so I'd love to have you join me as I build this community. Thank you again so much for being here. I do really appreciate you.